and do the same thing.
NDC banani pa would dear any mono coffee fasa, private jet TV. Now, you resign.
I'll resign. Because what may resign? What may resign? Why shall I stay there? May resign because the mayor is on principle and yet personal. And yes, say they are made time President Akufo-Addo and Asem President Kudebi. It's the principle. It's about protecting the public purse.
Hey, Sabrina, education minister na oda olam kwise mo abe resign.
Oh, may resign.
All right. So buja for nyame shira bibia. Medin de no gopo artist. Aha, aye Ghanaian Youths TV. Mesero say obe subscribe to channel no. Ne fa wadwen kire. Ebra, ebo comment section. Abuja for Asem aba. Honorable Okujetu Ablakwa is in a very big mess. Honorable Okujetu Ablakwa. He's in a very, very big mess. Abuja for some days, some years back, na Honorable Okujetu Ablakwa, a catch the Ghana for say, or no, we're a very, very principled person. And a dear or no, say, Omo NDC are buying back power. There's no way or no Okujetu Ablakwa is going to allow the president to rent a private jet. This is what he said. But today, they are doing the opposite. I was therefore, umayanko tie dia onu okaye efa private jets ensem na yeba yebeto aso nyame shira bibia.
But the reality is that if that is what the presidency wants, then it means that we need to have a policy or make that conscious decision, whether it's you, the parliamentarians, or the political elite, or as a country, that we need a presidential jet, a new presidential jet. What do you say?
It is clear to me that the charter arrangements that President Akufo-Addo has been pursuing was just to herald this. They were preparing the grounds for this big announcement that a new presidential jet is needed. Let me serve notice that we on the NDC side in Parliament, we have discussed extensively amongst ourselves. We are not going to support this purchase, the purchase of a new aircraft, because of a number of reasons. One, the current presidential jet is fit for purpose. As President George Weah has told us in our faces, it's very fit for purpose. There's nothing wrong with it. Number two, the current presidential jet, if you read the Hansard of 19th March 2008, we were told by the then defense minister, who is now National Security Minister, Honorable Kandapa, that our jet has a 20-year lifespan after it arrives. It arrived in October 2010. It's done barely 11 years. Next month it will be 11 years. We are nowhere near 2030, where you can start discussing a new aircraft.
Right, Okujetu Ablakwa Honorable was one of the people among person and hand to be buffy. Sir, Nanado pass or be sorry no home because of this private jet in Sam and Yasem Ketwa. I don't would Diana and Nado Dan Kwakufado Ukrumano, Abusafo, and Yasem Ketwa, who cry with young Beshel. But and they are doing opposites. And Nuna Ghana for say, Okujetu Ablakwa said some time ago, you told us, say, whenever a president be a beba, NDC president be a beba, and ya dear who tears him as a minister and as a party member, there's no way you are going to allow any president from your party to take private jets. Okay, because you said, say, the jet na Ghana jet na Ghana presidential jet na wo yejuma say engine ba kukra yejuma mienu ho. You said all these things as an expert. Today you are making us look stupid for believing in you, Mr. Ablakwa. Ebusafo umayenko tie di okan efa say obe resign yenko tie bra yenko tie.
And do the same thing.
NDC banani pa would dear any mono coffee fasa, private jet TV. Now, you resign.
I'll resign. Because what may resign? What may resign? Why shall I stay there? May resign because the mayor is on principle and yet personal. And yes, say they are made time President Akufo-Addo and Asem President Kudebi.
It's the principle. It's about protecting the public purse.
It's about education minister na oda olam kwise mo abe resign.
Oh, may resign. I mean, my resigning free appointments committee of parliament.
And the appointment committee no say you allowance mo kwa na mo jeje ana bibi wo ba bi a minimum.
Appointments committee which is a committee.
For it is sad that today I say BBI normal. BBI normal. Is this not the same NDC government that told us say be cutting down costs? And yes, sir, some no catch say they are coming to cut down costs, and as a Ghana, you need car into private jet now. Today, President John Dramani Mahama and in the NDC are buying a currency over 17 times the nanado to me rent here no, and no now almost 30 year. And almost 30 year. Me see, almost to me jare wo sa private jet na President John Dramani Mahama current here and dra. I would to coin. Ye jare wo mu. Ye jare ye niku mu. Bibia opebia ubetumi di obakra ko honma ubetumi ni betumi akoda honomu. Ewo sa private jet no. It is sad that today everybody is quiet over all this thing. The air course why you ding. The President John Dramani Mahama onongasa in opposition. The all canfa private jets in some way. It is sad. It is very, very sad.
Sources on the avoidable creature comforts of the president and other leading officials must come to an end. It is an unpardonable show of disrespect and insensitivity to the plight of the suffering of the mass of millions of Ghanaian citizens spent on renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana has a fully fitted and airworthy executive jet that can ferry the president anywhere in this world. And I know because I use that aircraft. Professor Mills used that aircraft.
Honorable Ablakwa, accept my greetings, and I hope this video finds you well. In opposition, you told Ghanaians that our presidential jet was in pristine condition and that it can last beyond 2030. So if the NDC comes to power and the NDC rents any presidential jet, you, Honorable Ablakwa, will resign. Honorable Ablakwa, today you are on television saying something different, and that per the assessments done, you think Ghana now needs a new presidential jet. I kindly want to find out, are we now in 2030? Per your calendar, are we now in 2030? And I want to understand what has made our presidential jet suddenly not to be in pristine condition. Kindly update us. You see, in opposition, you thought you were doing former President Akufo-Addo. You were releasing all his security details. I would like you today to do same and give us the details of President Mama's travel schedules. Now, Ghana needs a presidential jet. But former President Akufo-Addo was undeserving of it. You and Honorable Sam George, it's not even up to a year, but time is exposing you. And time will expose you big time. Something that can last us beyond 2030. And in 2025, Honorable Ablakwa, God is using you, the same person, to advocate for a new presidential jet. We're not even up to a year. Just wait, and time will continue to expose you the more. Thank you.